Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is accounting for supplies. It doesn't matter what kind of supplies, store supplies, office supplies, etc. And what is the difference between supplies and inventory? Inventory, we sell it. Supplies, we use it. Just like papers in an office, for instance. And our video will be two parts. The first one, to record the cash payment of the supply, so the purchase of the supply. So we need to register it at the cash payments journal. And a cash payments journal is a special journal used to record only cash payment transactions. Just like this one, date, account title, for instance, supply, debit, credit, and here accounts payable, purchase, discount, and cash credit. So accounts payable and purchase discount, that is not our topic today. We have a video about that, or we have video about almost all topics about cash, bookkeeping, and accounting for a small business. Just check out our playlist. And by the way, subscribe to our channel, guys. Very cool stuffs there. So, how do we do that? Let's go to our Excel file. And by the way, the Excel file is free. And the link to download it is in our video description. So let me delete this one. Delete this one here. Okay, so what do we have? December 6th. Wrote a check to Wells Office Supply for store supplies. Check number 690. So December 6th. So what is our debits and credits? Our debit, supplies, store, check 690. Our debit, 280. Wrote a check, so our credit is cash, credit 280. We need to go to the remaining journals, not only general journals. The first one, cash payment journal. So the date is the same, December 6th. Items, supplies store. Supply store, it is a debit 280. So debit 280. And our cash credit 280. And finally, general journals for supplies store. Let's consider that our beginning balance is 10,457. Just a random number. So a new purchase here, December 6th, company that we purchased it, Well Office Supply. And it is a debit, we are purchasing it, so debit supply stores. Here, how much? 280, and now our balance is 10,737. However, we have the consumption of these supplies, so we use them. How much is that, and how do we do that? We do that based on an adjusting entry that we do it after our trial balance. Okay, our first trial balance. How do we do that? Some general ledger accounts, just like supplies, need to be brought up to date before financial statements are prepared. Adjusting entries are used to bring a general ledger account up to date. Recording adjusting entries for supplies. 4 questions are asked to analyze the adjustment for supplies. What are the balance of the account being adjusted? Here, 10,737. Second, what should be the balance, or what should the balance be for this account? And then, What must be done to correct the account balance? So here, let's consider, I don't remember now the ending balance, 2,212. So let's consider here that the ending balance of supplies, office, should be 2,212. Maybe this number will change. So if the ending balance must be 2,212, how do we find the expense? So let's consider here beginning balance. So here, supplies office. Beginning balance 10,737 less ending balance 2,212. So beginning balance less ending balance, it is our supplies expense. 10,000 less 2,000, 8,525. Wow, kind of weird. Not that much. Let's consider a supplies here in units. Beginning balance is 10. If our ending balance is 2, we use 8. 8 are out of our supply. So this is our supplies expense, 8,525. So this is an adjusting entry at the end of our fiscal year, usually December 31st. Supplies expense, memorandum 150, our debit. And why supplies expense is our debit? Because expense decrease our net income. Net income is an equity account, so decreasing equity account is a debit. And how much the credit? We are taking this 8,000 out of our supply, so we need to reduce this balance. Supplies, an asset account. So asset account, the normal balance is a debit. So to reduce it, we credit it. And then 8,525. And here on supplies, December 31st, supplies expense. Now a credit. Here, supplies to our credit, 8,525. So our ending balance, beginning balance for the next year, 2,212. And then, what must be done to correct the account balance? It is this journal entry here. What adjusting entries are made? These adjusting entry here. Not so hard, huh? So guys, thank you. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.